Welcome back to Concrete Talks. Today we are tackling a hot question, literally. How does extreme weather in India, like monsoons or heat waves, impact concrete pouring and setting?
Great one. Monsoons delay pouring due to excess water, risking segregation. On the flip side, heat waves in Rajasthan speed up setting, which can cause weak concrete. The solution? Use retarders in heat, cover mixes during rains, and always follow IS 456 curing rules. Also, planning pours in the early morning or evening really helps beat extreme weather.
Super useful. Now, what are the key differences between reinforced concrete and pre-stressed concrete, maybe with examples from Indian landmarks?
Reinforced concrete, or RCC, has steel bars to resist tension and is used in most Indian buildings. Prestressed concrete, on the other hand, has pretension steel that handles higher loads. A great example is the Bandravali Sea Link's long spans. RCC is simpler, while prestressed is costlier but perfect for bridges as per IS 1343.
Love that example. Looking ahead, what innovations in concrete technology could transform the Indian construction industry?
Self-healing concrete is a game changer. It uses bacteria or polymers to seal cracks, cutting down maintenance for India's roads and bridges. Other breakthroughs like ultra-high performance concrete or even 3D printed concrete could speed up affordable housing. These all align with India's 2030 sustainability goals. Exciting times ahead.
Perfect wrap up. See you tomorrow with more concrete insights.